In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse and expand the side navigation in Google Drive. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of folders on the left side of Google Drive, this quick lesson will help you keep everything tidy and easy to navigate. We're going to focus on the small expand and collapse controls in the side navigation so you can reveal subfolders when you need them and hide them when you don't. First, log into Google Drive. Open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and sign into your account so you're looking at your Drive homepage. On the left, you'll see the side navigation panel. This panel is your control center for jumping between places like My Drive, Starred, and other areas. We'll be focusing specifically on the folders listed there, such as My Drive. Look closely at the My Drive entry on the left. Next to it, you should see a small triangle or arrow. This icon is the toggle for expanding or collapsing what's inside that folder. When the arrow points to the right, it means the folder is collapsed. When it points downward, it's expanded. Clicking this arrow doesn't open the folder in the main area. It simply shows or hides the subfolders right there in the side panel. Go ahead and click the arrow next to My Drive. If you have subfolders, they'll appear indented underneath. This is useful when you want to glance at your structure without leaving your current view. If you don't see any subfolders after clicking, that usually means there aren't any inside yet, or occasionally the arrow appears only when a folder actually contains subfolders. If the arrow isn't visible, there may be nothing to expand. To hide those subfolders again, click the same arrow. You'll see the list collapse back into a single, cleaner line. This toggle behavior applies to any folder that displays an arrow in the side navigation. If you spot additional arrows next to subfolders, you can click those as well to expand or collapse deeper levels. This helps you drill down into your organization when you need detail and pull back when you want a simplified view. A quick tip for clarity: clicking the folder name itself opens that folder in the main area, while clicking the arrow next to it controls whether you can see its subfolders in the side panel. Use this distinction to move quickly without losing your place. That's all there is to it. Log in, find the small arrow next to your folder in the left panel, and click to expand or collapse the subfolders. With that simple habit, your drive stays neat, focused, and ready to work.